Hello everyone, my name is Ewan and I work for Able. So this video is how do I see the charts? Very simple. One of the first things any trader will need to do is know how to see the chart and analyze it, right? So to do that, the platform we use, the website is called tradingview.com. Very simple. You make yourself a free account on here. You can pay for premium if you want. It's not necessary. It'll give you access to a few more indicators and features on the website, but it's not necessary. So, TradingView, very simple platform. You can see on the right hand side here we have our watch list with all our instruments. So whether that be stocks, forex, crypto, whatever, and you can just flick between them. Very simple. To change, you can see the search symbol in the top left, and we can search whatever we want. So if we want the euro, for example, against the dollar, we can see it right here. We can also see the broker it's using along the side. So for different instruments, there'll be multiple of them, depending on the broker. So depending on what prop firm or broker you use to trade, you'll need to match it up to this. So next, you can change the time frame of your chart by clicking there, and you can pick a 1 minute chart, and you can hold control and use your mouse wheel to zoom in and out, and obviously use this to adjust it as well, just to make it convenient for you. So obviously the time here correlates to each candle on the chart. So 1 minute is each candle, and if I change it to 10 minutes, each candle will then represent a 10-minute increment of time. So this button here allows you to change it from candles to lines, whatever. We don't really use the other stuff. Candles is the way we go. Indicators, this is where you search it. So any indicator you want, if you want like a simple moving average, you can just click it and it'll be there. And then you can just add it. Obviously, there's a few things which can only be added if you have premium, but there are free indicators. As you can see, it's applied on our chart now, the simple moving average. You can also, on the side here, use trendline tools. So this is where we're going to draw our trend lines, all this stuff, multiple things there. Fibonacci lines here, Fibonacci retracements, patterns, projections. This is where you can draw. So if you want to highlight things on the chart, if you want to add a text box, you can do that too. Best enable. You can do many things. Just editing your chart, essentially making it good for you. There's not much to go through in this, to be honest. This is just the platform that we use to analyze the charts and find our entries.